Form meets function with our ingenious patented Outsider Handle, an iconic feature of every Briggs Riley piece of luggage. The bag's trolley handles are on the outside of the bag and are encased in high-impact ABS to withstand extreme usage and conditions. This provides maximum protection of the aircraft-grade aluminum tubes, as well as protection of the case itself. With multiple stop heights, the handle system's aluminum tubes have a V-groove shape, which reinforces stability, guarantees less jamming, and makes the tubes less prone to bending from direct impacts. By having the handle system on the outside of the bag, travelers get more capacity inside, as well as a flat packing surface, enabling you to fold and pack clothing like you would a dresser drawer. The Outsider Handle works harmoniously with the interior garment securing panels and the CX compression expansion system to prevent items from shifting in transit, reducing wrinkling all around, making it the perfect packing solution. Thoughtful innovation, backed by our 100% lifetime warranty, is why the Baseline collection sets the standard by which all other luggage is measured. Engineered for reality, guaranteed for life.